time. This bike is for my 4-year-old son. Electrical all out. Quick mock-up. Sprocket time. It's almost perfect inner hole width. I take the old one off to use as a template. I punch my marks to be precise. First, I drill a small pilot hole using my marks. Then I drill to proper spacing, which is 7 mm today. I always use a little Loctite just in case. This will be my son's first bike without training wheels. He's been riding his 24cc since 2. Quick mock-up again. And a little more cutting. Alright, mounting time. Well, lost some weight. I'm using the double mount plate that comes with the motorized bike motor for the front mount. I make sure the chain alignment is perfect.
Alright, so this is the last piece to my mounts. Got my front mount in. This one goes up underneath to my back mount.
Marking my piece to the right length.
So I got the Puch hybrid dirt bike all tacked up here, the engine mounts, everything in. I got a nice little spot in the front to block for the mud, but yeah, it screws in the front just like so. And then underneath I have a little mount that comes up from the bottom and then bolts to the back there.
Unfortunately, I have to shorten exhaust.
Slice and dice.
Not perfect, but for my son, it will work.
I'm installing a wireless shutoff just in case. It rips. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, red Honda tank in plastics now.
I dug a hole